What's up, guys? My name is Cody Darling, and I'll be attending Colorado Mountain College in Leadville next year. We are driving from Columbus, Ohio to Leadville, Colorado. We're taking like a 2-day little trip. My dad's coming with me, and my dad's buddy, who's a good friend of mine, is also coming out with us. Alrighty, so we will be looking at basically a 20 hour drive when we go. Our first night we want to stop in Kansas, so we get about 10 hours into the drive, cut it in half a little bit. We would take turns driving, stop wherever we really wanted to stop. We're in really no rush because we got to be there the 20th, which we have a little extra time if we leave early. So here is a list of some of the gear that I needed for Colorado Mountain College. So I had to get a backpack, a hiking backpack, some boots, wind pants, weatherproof pants, waterproof pants, a lot of different type of pants, sleeping pad, water bottles, a whole bunch of different other gear. I'll be bringing out my fly fishing rods, which will be up there inside the van. So today what we have to do is clear out the van so we can put all the new gear and see where everything goes and everything fits. So I took off all the pads and everything and I threw them up next to like the seats, the driver's seats and stuff. I'm gonna pull the benches out and put my backpack and some gear under it. Maybe we'll put on the trailer hitch thing tonight, but I am not sure if we're gonna get around to that. But this is what we're going to do right now, and I'll show you. So let's do it. Alrighty, so we just packed everything under, and now the next step is, slides in like that, to pack this side. Get in there. Throw this under. If we can find a room. Is our helper dog? Hey, Bodie. Bodie, look up. Okay, we're going. It's okay. So we just got 2 bins in, a TV. We rearranged the pillows for this situation. The next thing we have to do is the rear carrier, which we'll get on probably later tonight or tomorrow night. So because I'm gonna put on giant bins on top and we don't want to get stolen. So we'll do that later. But we got most of it done. Basically all of it, actually. So this is getting exciting. Yes, very exciting. Please. Alrighty, so last thing we gotta do is put the rear carrier on with those boxes right there, and then we're ready. So let's do this. One more. Locked and loaded. Now we gotta strap them down.